Spencer. Sa'yo lahat yan, Spencer.
Yung?
Mag-hands-up ka, ano, Spencer?
Hands up?
Oo. 500 hands-up lang naman. Alam ko naman, hindi ka namin mapapa-hands up eh.
But I'm not into punishment.
125k followers.
I'm not into punishment. I'm sorry.
Oo, hindi lang naging tapan. Chill-chill lang kasi. Ito na si Joy.
Yeah.
Ay, grabe! Oh,
Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
buti na lang talaga hindi siya into punishment. Kawawa tayo talaga, Jordy.
Kinarga lang ako ni
Ayun, boss. Hello, thank you, Lord.
Spencer. Oh my God.
Kasi sa atin, yung nagpatitiyo kay ano, kay
Hindi natin mapapa-hands
kay
up. Yes.
Santino.
Ginoo ko, Lord. Tabang, Lord.
Hindi natin kaya pa-hands upin talaga yan.
Ginoo ko.
Baka ito. Amor, baka ito din ako.
Julian, ba? Ano, Time? Good afternoon,
Amor,
Time.
baka ito yung inaano mo, Amor. Rax, hello, Rax.
Ginoo ko, Lord. Si Sandra.
Grabe naman yan. Super strong.
Boss Joel, thank you. Thank you so much for the repost.
Miss, patap-tap naman ako. Andyan ka pa, Ori.
Boss Joel, go lang, go. Thank you, Boss Joel. Mata mo may day ka, Boss Joel. Thank you talaga kita, Boss Joel.
Rax, thank you, Rax. Yun. Thank you, Rax, Tristan.
Maganda eh.
Uy! Ay, naghatag po. Si Sandra.
Yung nagbibidyo okay?
Thank you, Ti Sandra.
Hanapin natin.
Thank you, Te.
Hi, Jordy.
Hello, salamat, Ti Sandra.
Ay, wala sa akin. Wala dito sa akin.
Okay. Si ano?
Comedy yan, si
Comedy
Comedy.
King may nagbibidyo.
Okay, no?
Inanap no by muted each one of you.
Halaka.
Tristan.
Parang ano, parang ngayon lang kita nakita nakalive ulit.
Ngayon lang? Busy sa
Oo. Ah, kaya pala.
Orange, thank you for tapping the live, Orange.
I'm gonna try. Miss Cathy, this for you. And Monty. Cox. Cox. Ay, yeah. Oh, wait.
Uy,
There were no
Brent.
words, no way to speak. I was still
ano, naiyak ka mag-ingay, Jordy, no?
no tears, no way to feel inside. I still feel for you, and even if
Hindi
the
ka makapag one verse face, one verse. Hindi ka makapag
used to shine, even if from eyes without a
Yes,
bright.
no.
You would still love my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine.
Grabe, napaka-uwi.
Kimix, ikaw lang yan. Hi. How are you? Out of my life.
Parang gusto ko na rin mag-ganyan live.
I've
So,
been
live lang.
waiting for all you give to me. You open my eyes, show me how to love unselfishly. I dream of this 1,000 times before, but in my dreams could love you more.
Mati.
I will give you my heart until the end of time. You are I need,
Ano?
my love,
Hinahabol mo ba mag-hands up, Jordy? Ayun.
Kaya nga sabi ko nga sa'yo, parang alanganin niya ako kayain talaga ng punishment.
La, 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 la,
much gawin yan eh. Lakas nun.
My Valentine. I love Jay.
Yan,
Gusto ko bang makarinig ng kanta niya?
Uy, ginoo ko ha. Ang taon ko, Lord. Tabang Lord. Baldo na naman
Imig,
si Spencer.
kamusta na?
My goodness.
Grabe. Feeling ko, Jordy, kaya mo rin kumanda.
feeling mo.
Salamat po.
Even if
Hi. Salamat tayo ha. Joyce, honey, shout out Joyce.
Hello Mars, welcome back.
Joyce. Hala.
Message mo double.
Bilag yata ako.
Ganda kayang ano naman eh. Papagawa mo naman sa akin yung mga
I'm good. Do you still play Mobile Legends? Do you still play Mobile Legends?
Hello Eve.
Iyo ba?
Salamat. Ano sabihin? Ano sabihin?
May mo invite maglaro sa tayong Mobile Legends.
Salamat po, tata.
Ikaw, Orange, kumakanta ka ba, Orange? Baka pwede ka rin mag-solo-solo live, Orange. Like, kanta-kanta. Habang naka-gingerbread.
I could hardly believe it when I heard the news today. I had to come and get it straight from you.
This one,
That
Rose.
you were leaving, someone's
This one,
waiting
Rose, one, Rose.
for
This one, Rose, one.
From the look of your face, I see it's true. So tell me all about it. Tell me about the plans you make. Tell me wanting more before.
Guwapa Bisaya, hello. Tender kissing, hello. This one, Rose.
Tell me how am I supposed to live without you? You know that I've been loving you.
Hi, Tender kissing, kumusta? Baka gusto mo mag-guard sa akin, Tender kissing. May kulay orange na heart sa tabi ng pangalan ko sa taas.
Supposed to live without you. Maybe how am I supposed to carry on?
Grabe naman si Nick.
Know
Sobrang
that I've been living for years. God didn't count me for crying, didn't count me to break down. It's just a dream of mine is coming to morning. And how can I blame you?
Sexy, hello.
Can you go to Comedy King site and then you guys supported him as well? Don't leave him zero. Thank you.
Hello, support daw si Comedy King.
And how
Ayun
one
pala.
day he'd be so much more than a friend. I don't wanna know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming. I need you now is more than I can take. Tell me how am I supposed to live without you? How did I been
Please can you also support me here? I only have 12.
How am I supposed to live without you?
Out na ako mapapag-send ka
And
ng
how
text.
am I
Alam ba't pinigilan mo?
to carry on?
Ay, pero thank you kay
Alan Venus.
Know that I've been living for years come.
Grabe.
Grabe ka kayo. Thank you. Ay, wait, mamamay day ko.
Yung bait ni Spencer, ang bait ni Spencer. Pinapunta niya talaga sa kakampi niya yung ano,
Mabait talaga yun si Spencer.
yung nag-gift sa kanya. Oh,
And hold on. They are muted. Gonna follow them.
thank you so much, Spencer.
Hala.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
po.
Hello guys.
Thank you.
Guys, I have to
Thank you,
go.
question
I have to go.
Spencer, thank you so much. Wait, thank you so much. Han. First time kita narinig sa anak.
Thank you. Love you. God
Thank you.
bless.
And thank you as well to Miss Cathy. Have you say thank you to Miss Cathy King?
Thank you, Miss Cathy. Love you so much. God bless. Oh, thank you so much sa abuloy.
Alright, you guys have a good day. Have a good live streaming.
Thank you,
Take care.
Spencer.
Thank you guys, dancer. Love you. Thank you.
Miss Cathy.